Vertical angles. This is a type of angle that you're going to have to make sure that you can identify because we're going to be using this for quite a while coming up. So when we look at vertical angles, we need to know what it is, right? So what I can tell you is this angle right here is vertical to this angle right here, okay? So sometimes you're going to see it labeled like TDH. So angle TDH is vertical to angle RDC, right? So what that means is they flip over this point of intersection at the same measurement. Okay, and then I can also, let me change colors here. I can also tell you that this angle is vertical to this angle because again, it flips over this point of intersection. So they're going to be equal to each other. And being able to identify that is going to be huge when it comes to solving the problems that we have to solve in geometry. So I'm going to change my color one more time. Let me go to purple. Okay. So what this means is sometimes I just remember that this creates a V, right, for vertical. And then the upside down version of that is also a V, which creates an X, right? But they're vertical at the intersection. So the double V's create vertical angles. So if that helps you, that could be one way to remember it. But let's see what this question asks. It says, find the measure of RDC. So RDC is this one right here, right? So we know that measure because it's vertical of TDH. So RDC is going to be 111. Okay, let's look at another one. We've got find the measure of CGR. So CGR, again, you can trace it. And we're going to talk about this measure right here. It's vertical to KGD, and KGD is 64. So that means this one would be 64. Okay, so just being able to identify the vertical angles and know that they're going to be the same exact measurement. That's all this lesson is. But it's a big one. Like, don't blow it off thinking, oh, well, that's too simple, because this is a foundational piece we're going to keep using. Okay, DRK. So DRK is this angle here. And again, it's vertical. So this is a V here. This is a V here. So this one here is 77 degrees. Okay. So again, hopefully it's easy. I'd be glad if it's easy, but don't blow it off. It is something that you will continue to see and need to know. Find the measure of CPM. So CPM is here. So that means it's 107, right? Just travels right through. So if you need any more instruction on this and it's not simple, that's totally understandable too. Just reach out and let me know. But all we're doing is finding our vertical angles, RHY. So RHY is here, RHY, and it's vertical to this one, which is 47. Okay. And again, these right here are vertical to each other as well, but it's only asking us for one pair. Okay. So if you have any questions, reach out. Other than that, hopefully this isn't too complicated and you can get your 10 points and get more math.